What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is the digital transformation of manufacturing, production, and related industries and value creation processes. Industry 4.0 is used interchangeable with the Fourth Industrial Revolution and represents a new stage in the organization and control of the industrial value chain. Cyber-physical systems form the basis of Industry 4.0. Examples are smart machines. They use modern control systems, have embedded software systems, and dispose of Internet address to connect and be addressed via IoT, the Internet of Things. This way, the products that means of production get networked and can communicate, enabling new ways of production, value creation, and real-time optimization. Cyber-physical systems create the capabilities needed for smart factories. These are the same capabilities we know from the industrial Internet of Things like remote monitoring or track and trace. Industry 4.0 has been defined as a name for the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies including cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, cloud computing, and cognitive computing in creating the smart factory. Industry 4.0 is a vision that evolved from an initiative to make the German manufacturing industry more competitive, to a globally adaptive term. Industry 4.0 is often used and interchangeable with the notion of Fourth Industrial Revolution. It is characterized by, among others, number 1, even more automation than in the Third Industrial Revolution, 2, the bridging of physical and digital world through cyber-physical systems, enabling by industrial IoT, 3, a shift from central industrial control system to one where smart products define the production steps, 4, closed-loop data models and control systems, and 4, personalization and customization of the products. The goal to enable autonomous decision-making process, monitor assets and process in real time, and enable equal real-time connected value creation networks through user involvement of stakeholders and vertical and horizontal integration. The digital transformation. Industry 4.0 is the vision and concept in motion with referenced architectures, standardization, and even definitions in flux. Most Industry 4.0 initiatives are early-stage projects with a limited scope. The majority of digitization and digitalization efforts in reality happen in the context of Third and even Second Industrial Revolution technologies goals. In essence, the technologies making Industry 4.0 possible leverage existing data and ample additional data sources, including data from connected assets, to gain efficiencies on multiple levels, transform existing manufacturing processes, create end-to-end information streams across the value chain, and realize new services and business models. To understand Industry 4.0, it is essential to see a full value chain which includes suppliers and the origins of materials and components needed for various forms of smart manufacturing, the end-to-end digital supply chain, and the final destination of all manufacturing production regardless the number of intermediary steps and players, the end customer. Enabling more direct models of personalized production servicing as well as customer-consumer interaction, including gaining real-time data from actual product usage and cutting the inefficiencies, irrelevance, and cost of intermediaries in a digital supply chain model where possible, are some goals of Industry 4.0. In this customer-centric sense of increasing demanding customers who value speed, cost efficiencies, and value-added innovative services. In the end, it remains business with the innovative twist of innovation and transformation of business models and processes. Increase profit, decrease cost, enhance customer experience, optimize customer lifetime value, and where possible customer loyalty. Sell more and innovate to grow and remain relevant.